Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on HubSpot basic features. And for today's video, I would like to show you how to reduce the amount of notification you will get from your tasks. So when you set up your task and you set up like reminder for it, you might receive email notifications for all of them on the reminder day and on the due date. The thing is, when we have like 3 to 4 tasks a month, it's not that bad. But if you end up with a lot of different tasks creating every day, you might don't want to receive like thousands of mails every day, but you still want to know what's due today. And HubSpot created a way to make it happen. So you just go to settings, your preferences, notification, and on email, you're scrolling down, and you will find task. And what HubSpot did is they created Task Daily Digest. So basically, every morning you will receive a mail that is a summary of all the tasks that are due for today to let you organize your day. So you will not receive one task per reminder, but once a day that will sum up everything. And one example of this task email would be this one. So you can see you have your name, you have 5 tasks due today, they will tell you 5 to do, 0 calls, 0 emails, and you will have the list of what you need to do with the priority on the right. Few things you have to understand about this email. If you have less than 3 tasks for the day, you will not receive a mail. If you don't have any tasks, you will not receive any mail as well. Every mail is created by HubSpot at 6 a.m. as you can see at the bottom of the screen, and it's sent at 8 a.m. to your mailbox, which means that if you have a task that is creating between 6 and 8 in the morning, it will not be included in this specific email. But now that you understand the rules of these specific features, feel free to click on this Task Daily Digest to optimize your email receiving. I hope this tip was useful for you. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. Of course, if you want to get a deeper knowledge of your HubSpot portal, I created a free training on the description below that will teach you how to set up step by step the most possible optimized portal. It was Greg. I wish you a good day and see you soon.